outside of all of this that data professionals have to get to and see the leading.
Those are the kind of guys that will be early adopters with their literacy programs.
Analytics, storytelling that you do need to bring into the curriculum, that they are as close to the network of driving that culture. Data literacy, AI, there's a bit of a trend there. I would argue that data and analytics is dead. Long live AI. We're no longer going to need to work with data as humans. AI is going to do it all for us. We're going to ask it questions and it's going to bring back the answers. It's going to be wonderful. What would you say to that?
Oh, well, I don't agree, but I do to an extent and I don't, right? Like data feeds AI. The better your data feeding it, the better the AI. Now, that being said, it's almost as it's just the next evolution in data itself, right? And that evolution is, go back 50, 100 years. What did computers look like? Oh, that'd fill a room, right? Well, then it got better, it got better, it got better. And you're no longer manually writing data. Now you can code data. Well, and then you get to even better coding of data. And then you get to the cloud. And now you're getting to the point that AI can build the visualizations and AI can do the analytics. The human still needs to be involved. And I think that is one thing throughout the decades that hasn't changed, is the human is still there. But what has changed is where the human sits in it. So give it 20 years ago, you have statisticians, right? Eventually the data scientist terminology came along, and they're the more advanced data professionals. But they make up a small percentage of the population, a very small percentage. So data literacy comes along, and that's the masses. Well, now data literacy takes it to that next level with AI, where AI will do a lot of the work, but you have to have the human. Is the human creating the story based off of what the AI gave us? Is the human able to interpret it? Is the human able to pick up on hallucination? Is the human able to execute a decision off of it? So we're just seeing that next iteration. And that's a term that should be very familiar in data and analytics, is iterative. And so I just think we're at that next evolution.